Hello guys, welcome to Software Design. Today I want to teach you how you can replicate this kind of flyer, this design flyer here. I want to replicate this. And in our today's class, basically what we are trying to express is and the challenges we are seeing here is okay. First, you look at a design like this and you are like, what am I supposed to do in this design? What am I experiencing in this design? So in this design, let's see the analysis quickly. And then from here, this texture you see, this texture, the texture on that text and what next? We take note of this 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 food, this food coming by the side, and then this look at the tooth. Then now the informations like this. These are the rest informations that comes in. So this is the company name for instance, and And this designer has done something very, very interesting here for giving us this particular design. So we'll try to replicate it. Let me give you a version. I have a different version as well. So right now, let's not waste much of our time. Let's dive in straight. Let's dive in. Let me clean this, and then we are good to go. Okay. You look at this. Let's move. And so right now, let's go to our gadgets, resources, sorry. And then our resources go to your restaurant. From here, this is our resources we have gathered. So right now we'll go back to our working environment. This is our working environment. Draw a rectangle like this. Press P for it to centralize. And then paste all your assets. These assets, I've removed all the background of these assets from Canva, but I have a tutorial on how to remove background, which you can check in this tutorial. Yes. So we need a background like this similar background like this black background. And where can we get that particular background? We can get it in Pinterest. And you can even head over to Pinterest and let's say you type restaurant flyer, restaurant, or let's say restaurant this background. Let's go straight to the point. Let's add an artifact, black restaurant background. And then you have something similar to that. Similar to that. Yep. Let's go with this. Let's go with this. And we have others. Let's try this one and see. Mm, no. We want something that we can also add texture. Mm, let's go with this. So let's download this from here. And then we'll have our background here. Then copy, come back to your working environment. Then let's paste in. Then right click. Then you can select inside. Then click on object. Click on power. Click place inside them. As it has changed to that arrow, click inside. It has now changed. Then double click inside to readjust it. Then click on finish. You see now it now fits in. So same way we'll push this other characters inside like this. Push them inside. There's a shortcut to that. The shortcut to power click is you just click on any image that you want to power click inside the rectangle, and then click on right click for your on your mouse, then drag inside. The moment you reach it and it changes to a dark circular cross, then drop it to ask you to power click inside. Click on it. Then double click to find it to go inside, and then click shift to scale properly. Scale. And then now let's look at our sample. Let's look at our sample and then let's see, test the magic. And then we're having the taste is worth it. So let's make it, let's give it a font. Let's say Bebas. I love using Bebas. Then drag. Let's change the color. For instance, dragging. Control key, press Control K to break it. Okay. Then let's change it. Let's change it to capital letter. Small letter, sorry. Let's see. No, it's not good for small letters. It's not good for small letters. Let's, yes, the taste is worth it. So immediately let's readjust it. And click click on it. Press C to centralize. Then drag from this angle like this. So right now, then we want to achieve this particular, want to achieve this effect, this here. So in achieving this on here, we want to make it appear around this region. And for it to achieve that, you first of all, let's say you come here, you double click inside to access your power click. Come inside straight and then drag. You select the rectangle, dragging. Let's give it a color to give it a different shade. And then from here, select this image. Then click on this shape to here. Then from here, come and click, drag this inside, because the essence of that is it affects you when you want to select. You are selecting something is not working. Mhm. And this is because the object is on top of this other object. That is why. So let's, for instance, press Control and then page down. You see that this artifact is already by the side. So let's try to drag it and adjust it like this. Mhm. So we want to make other rectangles on top of this here. Let's readjust this. Then let's readjust this as well. Like this. And then we'll leave it in this pattern, in this order. All right. So from here you arrange it like this is the first rectangle, the second rectangle, the third one. So select them all. Remember you're inside the power click. Then select or readjust it. And then from here select the rectangle behind it and then remove its outline like this. Click finish. And then come here. Select the images you want to use inside of this rectangle. You can select, let's say for this purpose of this class, we can use this one, two, and three. Then cut it. Then double click and go inside the pack. Then paste. Then from here we can also paste inside. Paste one of them. We'll also paste this inside. We'll select this one, drag inside, and also paste inside. Then double click here and then scale it to be okay. Okay. Let's scale it. Double click here, readjust this also. readjust, and then from here double click here, and then readjust this. Readjust this. Then let's make the outline more thicker, and then we want to make this go behind this image. For instance, we want to make this particular rectangle as from the illustration here. We want it to go behind this chef. So this particular chef should be in front, and then let's go back. Let's cancel this part. So from here, we'll just press shift on your keyboard after selecting this. Press shift and then click on page up. It will come to the front, and then click on finish. And then from here, we're achieving a bit, and then we're supposed to ensure alignment in this design. So you drag your ruler on this point here. Let's see. Let's ensure that our design doesn't cross that. Then let's shift this, and then we'll drag our artifact inside. This is it. And then let's drag in. And leave it like that. Click on finish. Or for instance, let's just leave it inside like this. And then from here, we'll just type our text in. From here, that's basically what is remaining. And then we want to accept this effect that is here. We want to make it pop out, which we can double click here, copy this background, click copy, and then let's paste it outside, drag it like this. Then we'll power click the background inside the text, click on power click. Let's edit. And then from here, as you're selecting it, you select transparency. Transparency, you come to normal, you come to texturize. Then from texturize, you select, let's say 90%, click on OK. And then if you come closer, you tend to see it's changing its opacity. Let's edit, let's add the transparency again. Let's make it to 85. This is okay. You come closer again, let's see. So you can now see the transparency popping out like that. And then we want this worth it to be behind. You cut it and double click, paste. Then press Ctrl Shift and press Shift page down a bit. Page down so that even though you scale it, let's assume you scale it this way. So that this chef will be behind that text. Then click on finish. You can also scale this a bit. Then for instance, for us who want to strive our main way to achieve this, we want to cut this, paste here. This is it. So we don't want to make it too busy with food that way, but we're just trying to sell an idea that anybody looking at this design, it entails that it's food, food, food. All right. here. So we're going to transparent this a bit. Issue not that bold. All right. Then here you can just add a phone number. Let's say 090 then 0804568 then 793, the phone number they can call at any given time. So at this juncture like this, you have a flyer. This is a very simple flyer. You can try to copy or imitate from any design of your choice. So this is just a guide. And if you like more of our content, endeavor to subscribe for more. Thank you.